Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code in Cursor. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Cursor and then click on this terminal at the top. Click on New Terminal and you'll be able to see a terminal open in front of you. So before installing Claude Code, you got to make sure that you have Node.js installed. So if you don't have that installed, you can simply go to any of the browser and install that. In order to check the installation, you're going to simply type down node and -- version. Simply type that down, press enter, and you'll be able to see the node version. If it appears, that means that Node.js has been installed on your device. Next, you're going to simply type down this command that says npm install flag of g Anthropic AI Claude Code. Press enter, and you'll be able to see an installation process for Claude Code begin. So simply wait patiently for the installation process to end. So if you see any scripts warning or any method that has been blocked due to any of the missing scripts, then you can simply paste this command that looks something like this: set execution policy scope process execution policy bypass. Simply run this command, and after that run that npm install command again and wait for Claude Code Anthropic to get installed on your cursor. After that, simply type down Claude, and once you do so, you'll be able to see this in front of you that says what color of theme that you want. For example, I want to go with the dark mode, so I'm just going to select the dark mode over here and press enter. And after that, it says to select a login method. So we have two login methods. One is Claude account with subscription. So you cannot log in if you have the free plan. You need to have Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise level plan. And then we have this Anthropic console account API usage billing. So you can basically simply click on any of these, press enter, and then you'll be asked to enter your credentials. So once you have typed down your credentials and if they are correct, you'll be able to see Claude Code get launched in your cursor. After that, you can simply open any of the folder of project that you want to do so and give prompts to Claude AI, and it will generate all the code for you. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.